Is there a book, article, or sometimes DVD that you need but it isn't available in our library's collection? Good news! You can request those items from other libraries by using Interlibrary Loan. Not sure how to do that? That's okay. First, make sure you're on the library's website, catawba.edu/library. Then in the search box, you're going to type the title of the item you need in quotations. For today's example, we're going to use Land Power, Who Has It, Who Doesn't, and How That Determines the Fate of Societies. Since we put the title in quotations, it was the first result on the page. Occasionally, though, you may need to scroll down to find your exact title. Once you do, click on the title, click Request Item through Interlibrary Loan. On the form that pops up, all of the information about the item should auto-populate, like the title and author, but if for some reason it isn't correct, you can click in each box and edit as needed. Once you've confirmed all of this is correct, you'll scroll down to My Contact Information and put in your name, your patron type, your email address, and if you would like, you can put in your phone number or any other comments you might need. Before you click Submit, make sure you read over the helpful tips at the bottom of the page. If you're requesting an ebook or textbook, we unfortunately won't be able to request those items, but we can request any other book or article you need. Books can take 1 to 3 weeks to arrive, but journal articles should usually only take a few days, but could take longer. Once you've read over everything and confirmed your information is correct, click Submit, and congratulations, you've requested an interlibrary loan. Now all you need to do is keep an eye on your Catawba email address for a notification when it gets here.